Hello, and welcome to St. Teresa Catholic School. My name is Mary McCrory, principal of St. Teresa Catholic School. Our school has been part of the Titusville community for nearly 60 years. We are open to students age 3 to grade 8. Although we are a Catholic school, students of any faith are welcome. We just ask that children participate to the best of their ability and respect our faith traditions. Parents choose St. Teresa for a variety of reasons. Our small class sizes, the feeling of being part of a family, the strong academic foundation we provide, and the confidence of knowing their child is in a safe, secure learning environment are just a few. Both our 3-year-old program and our VPK programs begin at our daily start time and conclude at 11:15. For those parents in need of a longer day, we offer an extended care program until 6 p.m. Our pre-kindergarten classrooms are colorful, lively centers of learning. Students are engaged in multiple learning activities, from reading centers to puzzle stations to building centers. Every activity our pre-kindergarten student participates in is well planned with the child's learning in mind. Students in our elementary grades, kindergarten through grade 2, learn in self-contained classrooms that focus on the foundational skills in language arts and math. Science, social studies, and religion are also integrated into the weekly schedule. As a student enters an early elementary classroom, they are greeted by a welcoming, engaging learning environment. Our goal is to support each child's learning through a mixture of classroom techniques. iPads are available to students for reinforcement of the curriculum. We understand no two children learn the same way and strive for personalized learning for every child at St. Teresa School. In our intermediate grades, student learning becomes more structured with a daily schedule of language arts, math, science, social studies, and religion. Students remain in self-contained classrooms in both 3rd and 4th grade. Our 5th graders experience a mini middle school environment by switching classrooms for a couple of subjects. Students in these 3 grade levels have the opportunity to use a Chromebook to enhance their learning. Teachers integrate the use of technology in a variety of ways throughout the curriculum. Once a student enters 6th grade, they experience a varied schedule, preparing them for high school life. We further prepare our middle school students for high school by teaching them life skills such as organization, time management, and how to prioritize assignments. Technology is integrated into the curriculum through virtual science labs, student-created digital products, and other learning applications that support the curriculum. Extracurricular activities include social justice club, choir, environmental club, robotics, and a variety of Catholic Youth League sports. Our students have numerous opportunities to tap into each of their varied interests, or maybe even try something new. Providing a well-rounded education is something we strive to accomplish. As such, students attend special area subjects including physical education, music, art, and Spanish. Whether it's learning how to spike a volleyball, or painting like a master, or even expressing emotions through the use of a musical instrument, our students can tap into their innermost talents. Our newest addition, the Bolin Family Learning Center, is the focal point of cooperative learning. St. Teresa students are immersed in a modern, technology-rich learning environment featuring 4 workstations equipped with large, flat-screen LCD monitors and Chromebook and iPad connectors, a 75-inch ClearTouch interactive touch panel, and robotics equipment. Students can work independently, cooperatively with peers on a project, or conduct presentations to the whole class. The Learning Center also features an early childhood reading center where young students can listen to a book that is read by their teacher. The Reading Center is furnished with flexible chairs for those students needing to get the wiggles out, lounge seating for a more relaxed listening experience, and bookcases filled with a variety of age-appropriate books. The mission of St. Teresa Catholic School is to provide a quality education that challenges and empowers students to develop their full potential. Providing the best education possible for your child is one of the most important decisions a parent can make. We feel every child, regardless of religion or economic need, should have the opportunity to attend St. Teresa Catholic School. This is why we accept the Step Up for Students scholarships, along with the McKay and Gardner scholarships. Additionally, we have scholarships available to families through our school and parish. This is just a brief overview of St. Teresa School. For a more personalized tour, please contact our school office. I look forward to seeing you soon.